Hello everyone, this is Lloyd from Bizzfo, and in this tutorial what I'm going to take you through is building recipes in your online platform, the Hive. So going to the navigation on the left hand side, I'm going to click on recipes, and talking you through this screen. On the navigation side we've got add and edit. This is where I'm going to create a burger. Having a look at my summary, I can see I've already created a burger. I'll be removing it and just putting it back. And then finding items, this is where we'll search our items, and then the price updates, which I'll show you afterwards. Now you'll notice on the summary screen there's an export. You can export this list if you want to work with that in Excel. And the preferred way of doing it would also be to go to your system, go to import and export, select a specific branch, and then you can import or export your recipes. Now this is especially handy if you're doing bulk updates, you want to check it in Excel, and also if you're transitioning from your point of sale and you want to move your recipes to your Hive, you would go to products, or rather recipes, import export, and you would export these files and then simply upload them to the Hive. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm gonna do the burger. I'm actually gonna redo the burger quickly. Alright, so I did some quick magic. Burger is removed, and what we do on our create is we first want to find an item to link to. So you would type in your specific item, and this is the burger I want to use. I'm going to select add. Once on the add screen, you'll notice this is a recipe, or it's cascading. Now I'm going to use recipe. Cascading would be your beers and your six packs and your crates. And once that is selected, I can go and select this little plus button right next to burger. Now what I want to do now is I'm going to select the items that I want to add. I want to add a patty. And then second thing I want to do is I want to add a bun. So in essence what you're going to do is select all the items that you want to add. There we go. And then I'm going to flick back. Now I can see patty. This is the base cost of a bun and a patty, and then the orange column is indicating the quantity that I need to put in for this recipe. So in this case we're going to use one bun. You'll notice that the recipe cost is $5, and just for clarification I'm going to enter 0.5. so I'm actually using half a patty, which would mean that the 12 Rand has been divided and it's now 6. Alright, if I scroll to my right, I can see it's immediately giving me an average profit or GP percentage, category on the food, and I can see what the actual cost price is of a burger. Let's go back to my summary. Alright, perfect. So it's refreshed already, and I can now export this list or manipulate it or send it to the POS rather. So let's have a look how you do that. You would go to your price push updates. I would select the branch that I want to update, and then I would select the push button, and this should clear. There we go. And this is just indicating that this request was sent, and it will, once the POS has completed the sync, I can click on refresh. You'll see that there's a timestamp that just indicates that the point of sale has picked it up. So let's just see what that looks like in the point of sale. Okay, switching over to the point of sale, I can see there's two items. It's immediately listed in yellow. Yellow is indicating that it is a recipe. So I'm clicking on recipe, and I can see there's my patty, 12, quantity 5, 0.56. And then I can also have a look at this item as well. And there we go, there's a recipe. So it's quite simple to keep your recipes intact as well. You can do that with the online system. And just a note, but this would be for another video, the green are just simply indicating that these items are cascaded. Just having a quick look, so the bottle branas, if I click on the recipe, I can see this is consisting of 15 doubles. So yeah, guys, quite simple. So yeah, feel free to have a look and play with your recipes. Even if you build one a day, that would be a good suggestion, and once you're ready, you start pushing that down to your point of sale, and it will just give you ultimate control over your GP. Any further questions, please feel to proper mail at info.bizzfo.co.za.